I'm debating if I should even eat like a big meal after this or if I just go to sleep early because we're getting brisket biscuits tomorrow. A small snack and sleep, eat big. Immediate contrast answers. I know it's like terrible for you, but I'm honestly my happiest when I food coma. So today we're building the Baldr65, which is actually in group buy for the next 3-ish months. Ends on 420, so pretty easy to remember. For those who haven't seen it, it is a glass keyboard. Check it out. This is a box that it comes in. PCB, multiple O-rings. So this one is a 30A and then this one is the 50A. They're giving you TX stabs. With the group buy, you get 3 plates all included. The board is hot swap. You can change it out as you want. The 3 plates are going to be PC, Palm, and Alu. This is one of 3 colors. This is the black or stealth edition. My camera's like, where do I focus? It doesn't know where to focus. But here's the side, here's the back, here's the USB port side, here's the front lip, here's the top. This is the stealth edition, so this one is going to be a little bit more expensive than the other 2. Of the 3 colors, you have frosted, clear, and stealth edition. Frosted and clear will start at $310, and then the stealth edition will go up to $325. But that's not even the crazy part. It is a hot swap keyboard, but this is the first keyboard I've seen with factory mil max. So instead of using like Kale sockets or just like the hot swap sockets in general, this one uses mil max from the factory. You do have per key RGB, and then you have underglow as well. You have physical reset button. So this does use an O-ring mount, and there's rivets on the PCB that I'll show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then these are the little bumps to basically keep the PCB from hitting the glass on the back. So all of this artwork was designed by Helheim. Helheim also ran the Freja 65, which is also 65, but that one has more rounded. So this is the Freja 65. The sides are more curvy compared to the Baldr's, which is going to be more sharp. It has a different PCB design that you can see, but similar concepts. The main difference is the more curved or the sharp edges. Also, there's a new stealth edition, so the black one. And this is the frosted. Pretty nice. You guys have to realize that it is glass. So with glass, you should still be careful, but it's not so fragile that you sneeze on it and it will break. But curb your expectations and realize that it is still glass. So let's look at the plates while we're here. You have Palm PC and then you have the Alu. No flex cuts. So here you can see where the rivets go in. And then looking at the PCB layout compatibility. So you can split the left shift. You can do split backspace. Looks like there's ISO support as well. And then you can pick your bottom row. Cool. I think that's the coolest thing, is that this is factory Milmax. Also, if you have a Freja, this PCB is compatible with it. And you can buy these PCBs separate. Also, if you're interested in this group buy, please consider using my discount code XXW. You get a discount. These switches we're going to be using are from Moyu Studio. It's their new Wiko Fuyu switch. If you guys are interested in this switch, I would definitely recommend lubing them. There was factory lube, but it was like not consistent at all. These are a linear switch. They have a 58-gram spring. They're really cute. Palm stem, polymer nylon top, same with the bottom. These are what we're going to be using. I think one of my core memories of Aranish is going to be when we were both on the train in New York, and like he was obviously food comaing, and then I was obviously just potatoing, and he was trying his hardest not to fall asleep, but we were both like falling asleep. He was trying not to fall asleep so we weren't both like passed out on the train. So you could see him like try to stay awake, cause like I passed out. Like I was just like No regard for my own safety. I just like straight up passed out. And then woke up finally, and then you could tell he's like trying to stay awake. That is the board. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not sure if you can see the artwork. So you can't see the artwork, but you can see the lights. Neat. That's what it looks like. Okay, so let's talk the details about it. This is in group buy right now. This is what the product page looks like. You have the frosted, the clear, and the stealth edition, which is the black, which is what I built today. Starts at 310, goes up to 325. O-ring mounted 65%. Group buy ends on 420. Estimated shipping date is Q4 2024. The rivets will not be pre-installed, but I guess the holes will be made bigger so it's easier to install. I would recommend joining Helheim's Discord if you want more information. That is the board. Really, really neat. Glass keyboards are interesting to me, right? I feel like sometimes they're in the same realm as like wooden keyboards. And you would think that glass keyboards might sound really pingy or like hollow, but it's not the case with this one at all, at least from my configuration. And I really do like black glass. I think that's nice. My biggest critique of this board though is that it's a fingerprint magnet, but that's a me problem, so. But at least it's easy to clean and you'll be getting a cloth to clean it with. Overall, if you like bling bling cases, this is certainly very bling bling. But yeah, if you're interested in buying this board, or this desk mat too, you can use code XXW. You get a discount. But thank you Asmode for sending it out to me. I appreciate it. Send me out too! Drop test? No.